Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a dipped headlight bulb on a BMW 2 Series. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Gather your tools, including a new bulb, a screwdriver, and possibly gloves. Always refer to your BMW owner's manual for specific details regarding your model's headlight assembly and bulb type. To access the bulb, you may need to turn your front wheel to full lock or even remove it to gain better access to the wheel arch. Locate the access panel, often secured by clips or screws, and carefully remove it. Next, you will find a circular rear cover on the headlight assembly. Turn this anti-clockwise to remove it. Now, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, release the retaining clip that holds the bulb in place and gently pull the faulty bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, handle it with a clean cloth or gloves, making sure not to touch the glass, and ensure it seats properly. After inserting the new bulb, reconnect its electrical connector securely. Before reassembling everything, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly and the light pattern is proper. Then, carefully reattach all covers and panels, ensuring they are fastened tightly. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Drive safely with your fully functional headlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.